Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Nucypher, Nu, is an organization that spotlights on giving information security and protection to their clients. The organization has previously seen outcome in its short presence and looks ready to go on with its development later on. The undertaking empowers clients to have full command over their information while offering it to others in a safe and confidential manner. Nucypher can likewise be utilized to assemble decentralized applications that are safer and private than those based on the Ethereum public blockchain. Nucypher's group continues to deliver new updates and acquainting imaginative thoughts with the venture, so it's no big surprise numerous brokers are anxious to know now what its future value and its potential most extreme cost will be. We should attempt to see if we will see the Nucypher value drop or ascend soon in our Nucypher conjecture. What is the Nucypher cryptocurrency? Nucypher is a decentralized key administration framework that gives information security and protection. The organization was established in 2017 by McLean Wilkerson, Michael E. Grove, and Alexander Bussnies. Nucypher has brought $13 million up in subsidizing from financial backers, like Fenbush Capital, Polychain Capital, and Metastable Capital. The Nucypher network comprises of three sections: Umbrel, a key administration framework that permits clients to scramble and decode information with the assistance of intermediary re-encryption. Nodes, servers that run the Nucypher programming and create keys for the Umbrel framework. Proxy re-encryption keys, keys that are utilized to encode and decode information in the Umbrel framework. Nucypher's primary use case is information security. The organization gives a way to associations to share information without uncovering the fundamental information. Nucypher likewise offers information security as the keys used to encode and decode information are put away on the Nucypher organization, i.e., out of the association. Long-haul Nu price prediction. It's difficult to make long-haul cost expectations for digital currencies that haven't broken into the standard yet. While certain tasks, as Nucypher, have a ton going in support of themselves, numerous things can likewise turn out badly. Thus, we can truly make surmises about Nu's most extreme and normal costs temporarily. Generally, Nucypher has obvious objectives and a guide to accomplish them. Dissimilar to numerous other comparably creative crypto projects, it additionally has support both from its local area and establishments like financial speculators. These are 2 out of 2 significant attributes any digital currency organization requirements to succeed, so we'd say Nucypher is by all accounts in good shape. In any case, as we generally say, the truth will surface eventually the way that this task will act from now on. You ought to continuously practice alert while putting resources into cryptographic forms of money. Nucypher Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nucypher costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nucypher will be 18 cents. The greatest level that the new cost can reach is 21 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 19 cents. June 2022, Nucypher Price Forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the new cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 15 cents, while the most extreme could reach 17 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nucypher may be around 16 cents. New price forecast for July 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of Nucypher in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal new rate they foresee may be around 16 cents in May. It can drop to 15 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 17 cents. August 2022, Nucypher Price Forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the new cost will be exchanged at 17 cents by and large. June could likewise observe an expansion in the Nucypher worth to 18 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 16 cents in June 2022. New price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Nucypher costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July, 17 cents. The least and pinnacle new rates may be 17 cents and 19 cents. October 2022, Nucypher price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the new cost will be around 18 cents. In August, the Nucypher cost might drop to at least 17 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 20 cents in August 2022. New price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Nucypher costs, digital money specialists expect that the new rate could arrive at a limit of 20 cents in September 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 17 cents. For September, the estimated normal of Nucypher is almost 18 cents. December 2022, Nucypher price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Nucypher cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 19 cents. Crypto experts expect that in October 2022, the new cost could vary somewhere in the range of 18 cents and 21 cents. Nucypher price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nucypher will be around 27 cents. The greatest expected new cost might be around 32 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 27 cents in 2023. Nucypher price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Nucypher, in 2024, Nu is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 39 cents. Nucypher price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Nucypher and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base new cost could drop to 55 cents, while its most extreme can reach 66 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. Nucypher price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nucypher by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least new costs are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 83 cents. Nucypher price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the variances of Nucypher. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical new cost will be around $1.19. It will be exchanged for something like $3.49, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $4.19.